lle gan Morris yng nghanol y cae. Eithaf dacl gan Stead. Ydwch ymlaen mynd ar dyfarnwr Iwan Gruffydd, Wignall rwan. Ceisiom ti Bew Williams. Groesiad i mewn tuag at y cwrt 6. James Owen y cyfle, reit ceg hwnna ar y blaen. Chwarae da gan y dyfarnwr Iwan Gruffydd. Groesiad cael ei thrin ôl gan Wignall. A 6 munud ar 20 ar y cloc. A James Owen sydd wedi rhoi tîm Andy Morris yn ar y blaen yma ar Erddi Bastion. Tackle gan Owen. Zayac allan mae Kemp lawr yr asgell dde. Cyfle yn teipio i Heath. Zayac di cynnig i hun. Sy allan iddo bas da i Noah Edwards. Noah Edwards ar cyfle. Chwarae gora o'r noson gan y tîm cartra. Cei Crydd, Cei Conna. Tuag at Wild, Williams o beniad fler gan Williams. Dath yma amseru hwnna. Yn disgyn i Wignall. Wignall ar draws y cwrt cosbi Callum Morris. Yn dyblu mantas Cei Conna. Yr cloc yn taro 45 munud. Y gwiriad yn disgyn yn glen i Callum Morris. A tydi o ddim yn methu o'r safle yna. Heath. Reidiad da gan Wignall. Groesiad tuag at Wild ar y postyn pella. Mae'n da i Cei Conna. Croesiad fendigedig gan Wignall. A Michael Wild yn penio'r gêm yn bell oddi wrth Prestatyn. Owen ymlaen tuag at Wignall. Mae'n disgyn i Wild. Wignall ar ei ffordd i Cwrt Cosby tuag at Wignall. Arbediad wych gan Jones. Edwards. I Zayac i Seb. Seb ar ergyd hwnna, mae'n bell o'r nod. Gan Seb Edwards, y 3 brawd yn cyfuno. Heath. Gat y postyn pella, mae'n dod, a mae'n cael ei ffynnu allan. Ddim mor bell. Morris, chwarae mi ail, disgyn i Matty Williams. Pedwaredd i Cei Conna. 2 funud a hanner o'r 90 yw'n weddill. Ond mae chwaraewyr Prestatyn yn dadla. Bod ni chafodd y chwiban i chwythu cyn i'r gig Crydd gael ei chymryd. Ar ôl i'r gig gael ei chymryd, math y chwiban. James, bron i 100 o gemau yn uwch yng Nghymru Cymru. A rwan ddech chi sgorio?
Ia, dwi wedi bod yn disgwyl hir am un ond 3 gol dwi wedi sgorio yn erioed, ia. So, mae'n hapus i gael hwnna a gobeithio gael cic ymlaen ond a sgorio dim bach mwy.
We knew it was going to be difficult when the first game came out against Conisky. I think the first goal was always going to be quite crucial, really. We thought we'd weathered the storm for maybe 20 minutes or so, but we wanted to... the wind was quite strong in the first half. We wanted to try and get through it and see if we could get a bit of momentum behind the second half. But it wasn't to be, and Conisky, you know, obviously fully deserved the victory. 4-0, you know, doesn't flatter him really. But we were disappointed in the way that we conceded the goals and the manner of the way we switched off. And I think that's a learning experience for the lads that maybe you could get away with it last season. This season, you're not going to get away with those things.
I thought it was a very professional performance, you know, and we were never comfy in the game. You know, it was never one of those ones where you could say we were just dominating possession, because every time they got the ball, they tried to go forward. They tried to get in behind. They tried to score a goal. So it was never ever an easy night. Although in the end, it could have been a few more.
Unfortunately, you know, we weren't up to the task today. However, it's the first game, and that resilience that we showed in abundance last season at different times is going to be tested, and we've got to make sure we put that to bed and look at only at Barry Town now for the next week.
It's going to be a long process, Mark. You know, it's not something that happens overnight. You know, this is going to be a year, 18 months until we're in a position to say, yeah, this is a full-time club now. You know, it's a very, very early days yet.